We are on page 25 and we're looking at proportional parts and parallel lines. So first of all, proportional parts here says if three or more parallel lines intersect two transversals. So if you notice that line AB and line CD and line EF, they all have our little marks in there to indicate the parallel line here, so they're parallel. So three or more parallel lines intersect two transversals. So this is a transversal here, and this line is a transversal there. Then they cut off the transversals proportionally. So what we can say about this is, first of all, we can say that AB, and I wrote segment, I guess we could write line, is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. Then what we can say is that AC, corresponding to CE, and that is proportional to BD divided by DF. So let's see how to use this three or more parallel lines intersecting two transversals by looking at a couple of examples here. We want to find the value of x. So what we can do on this particular problem here is we can set up a proportion. Let's say 45 divided by 18, because we have three parallel lines cut by two transversals. I know I didn't color in the entire transversal. So we've got 45 over 18 is proportional to 52 divided by x. And we've been solving a lot of these recently, but we're going to cross multiply. Then we get 45 times x equals 18 times 52. And I'm going to flip over to the calculator here for a minute. And 18 times 52 is 936. So we get 45x equals 936. And then we can solve for x by dividing both sides by 45. So we'll flip back over to the calculator. Again, feel free to use Desmos. 936 divided by 45 gives us 20.8. Let's look at one more on this video. Same idea here. We have three parallel lines. Here's a parallel line, here's a parallel line, here's a parallel line, and then we have a transversal here, we have a transversal there. So we can set up a proportion. And I did 30 divided by 12 is proportional to x divided by 14. So once again, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. So we have 30 times 14 equals 12 times x. If we flip over here to our calculator here for a minute, 30 times 14 is 420. So 420 equals 12 times x. We need to undo the multiplication, so we're going to divide both sides by 12. And 420 divided by 12 gives us 35.